Celebrity Cruise Lines has been cleared to sail, and Carnival Cruise Lines has reached port agreements approved by the CDC. Hey everyone, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Now this week we are out of town. We are in North Carolina visiting with family, so the show's gonna look a little bit different this week as we put out our videos. But before we get started, if you would do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so, helps the channel grow, and allows us to continue bringing video content to you no matter where we are in the world. So, two big stories today. One of them, of course, is Celebrity Cruise Lines. The Celebrity Edge has received authorization from the CDC to begin revenue-generating sailings on June 26th out of Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale. Now, this is supposed to be a fully vaccinated cruise per Celebrity Cruise Lines. How they're going to do this with Florida law, they haven't said yet. There's been some pushback from the Florida governor about them wanting to ask for vaccination statuses. Exactly how they're going to do this, they have not announced yet. Now, I would assume big company, a big cruise line, they've invested money in getting this ship ready to go, announced the date that's less than a month away. There must be some plan, something they figured out, and they just haven't announced it yet. And as soon as we know, of course, we'll share it with you guys as well. But for now, that's Celebrity's plan. Carnival Cruise Lines has submitted 3 port agreements and had them approved by CDC, Port Canaveral, Port of Miami, and the Port of Galveston. Now that's the first step, and next they can request either simulated cruises or go to vaccinated revenue cruises. And that's going to be with the Vista and the Breeze out of Galveston, the Horizon out of Miami, and an unnamed ship that's going to go out of Port Canaveral. They're supposed to name that ship here in the next couple of days. At this point, I truly expect Carnival Cruise Lines to go the test sailing routes. They've indicated that reaching a 95% vaccinated rate on their ships is going to be very difficult to do because of the families on board. So I do expect them to go the test sailing route. And again, we'll probably hear more about this in the coming days because they're going to have to get this done relatively soon if they do expect to start sailing by this July. So I hope you have enjoyed this really quick, short update from the road to let you know what is currently going on with the cruising news. You have yourselves a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.